In every school, there are students who struggle to speak up. They have ideas but no voice. Quest brings that voice to life. Through creative learning, communication becomes exciting. And confidence becomes a habit. Students don't just speak, they own the stage. From fluency to expression, they grow every day. With every session, fear fades. Confidence builds. Teachers see the transformation. Parents notice the change. Quest becomes a part of the school's culture. Because learning English can be fun, active, and powerful. The change isn't small. It's visible. It's real. Now, it's your turn to give your students that advantage. Collaborate with Quest. Let's build confident communicators together.